What's up, everyone? Just gonna make a quick video. Does your Mazda 6 or Mazda in general have a clunking sound when you're going over uneven surfaces at low speed? You've assuming you have checked your ball joint, it's not leaking or anything like that. You've checked your tie rod in, and all your suspension components are tight. Usually what the main culprit is going to be, assuming that your lower control arm bushings and everything else is good, it's going to be your sway bar bushings. Over time, obviously they crack, get dry rotted and whatnot. It's not too bad of a job. It's a little bit of pain to get to the rear bolt. But really all you really need, pry bar, a 14 millimeter 1/2-inch drive, and you'll need a 14 millimeter ratcheting wrench, a pair of gloves so you don't cut yourself, and the way you need to approach to get the rear bolt out is to basically come up underneath and come from behind and get it out that way. You also need to disconnect your sway bar end links so you can move the sway bar out of the way. You'll use your pry bar once you get everything off. You'll use your pry bar to actually, you probably can't see it, but right there is your bushing. You'll need your pry bar to see how I have that bushing opened up, and then you'll be able to slide that out of there. And then take your new one, put a little grease on it, slide it in there, and then bolt it back down. And pretty much that's basically it. It's not that bad of a job. I thought it was going to be a whole lot worse, but it's not that bad at all. Just take a little bit of patience, think about it before you do it, and that's pretty much it. All right, putting this rear bolt back in. As you can see, it is a bit of a pain in the butt to get to, but if you can just get it started, I use my 14 socket to get it started. It's really hard to get a hand in there. So at this point, take your 14 ratcheting wrench. Give me just a second. I'm gonna get repositioned. You'll see what I mean by having it come from the rear. Like I said, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it can be done. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but as you can see, got it started. As you can see here, I have the ratchet on the front bolt for the sway bar bushing bracket. You'll need a wrench for the rear, as I shown earlier. Please like and subscribe. If you need any help, feel free to ask questions down in the comments. Thanks.